Hey everybody, this is Vinny with GS Software, and today I'm going to go over my latest tool, which is the Latitude Longitude generator for Excel, also known as an add-in. The tool, as the name suggests, it allows for the user to generate latitude, longitude, also known as the geocodes, and also the altitude, which is a bonus for a list of addresses. Again, this is all done in Excel, can be used in Windows or Mac. In Excel, there is no need to install any software. As far as the addresses that you can use is we can use full addresses like we do in this case, whether they are US addresses or non-US addresses. In this case, we've got a couple of Canadian addresses, but you can also use European, African, Asian, whatever addresses that you feel that you need. You can also use a partial address. As you can see in this example that I've gotten in here, the address is missing, zip code and a state. But the tool is smart enough where it will find those geocodes for that address. We've got a couple examples here where the addresses are just straight zip codes, and the tool works for those as well. Or we can have a full address, fully formatted address like it is in these examples. So as I mentioned, all you have to do is paste the data into this column. Again, this is built in Excel, and the tool will go to Google Maps and generate those geocodes, latitude, longitude, and latitude. And let me show you how it works. All you got to do is click on the very conveniently located button called Generate, and the tool should do the rest. As you can see, it works fairly quick. You can have 50 calculations or 1,000 addresses, and the tool will still do the work. If I can help you with this, please feel free to click on the download link, which is in the description. Also, my name, my contact information as an email and phone number is in the description. Feel free to contact me, whether it's for this tool or something else that you need built in Excel. This is Vinny, the Excel VBA Master. Until next time.